green tea. Three to 5 minutes later, I'll have tea. She's not feeling good today. We brought her out to get some sun. This is how I make green tea. I'm not saying it's right or wrong. Just saying it tastes good. We'll squeeze a lemon. I like a fresh lemon. I don't have one. All I got's that. And about a spoonful of honey. The honey's going to pretty well settle on bottom. So the more you drink on this, the sweeter it's going to get the closer you get to the bottom. But I drink this when I have sinus issues. Helps get all that mucus out.